everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign out of your Trust Wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Launch Open Trust Wallet application. Every time you are trying to get into your wallet, you will need to type in your passcode. It is crucial that you remember your passcode before signing out of your wallet. If you remember your passcode, simply go ahead and swipe up your app card at the top of the screen and then force close your Trust Wallet application by swiping up the app card. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out of your Trust Wallet app. Every time you open up the app again, you will need to enter the passcode. So that is how you can easily sign out of Trust Wallet. All you need is to force close your application and make sure that you remember your passcode. So that's how it's quickly done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.